today's video, I want to talk about how to make a commercial video. So whether you're a smaller influencer and you want to use it as a way to get a free stay, or you're a larger influencer and you want to use it as a way to get paid for your trip, making a commercial video for a hotel is a way that you can actually do that. So about a month ago, myself and a +1, my little sister, got flown out to a brand new property at the Hacienda in Cantada. It was called Vista in Cantada, and basically they wanted to bring me out to make a video for them, do some images as well. And in exchange, they paid for our flight, put us up for 4 nights. It was an all-inclusive resort, really, really beautiful. And in exchange, we made them a video and it took some photos as well. Before the trip, they actually sent us a shot list. So that's probably my #1 tip before even creating this commercial video, is make a shot list and figure out what exact shots that you want to get. So for example, the shot list that they gave us, they broke it down to every single category, from the rooms to the lobby to the amenities. So when filming this video, you want to try and get a combination of lifestyle shots, maybe taking a sip of champagne or walking through the lobby. And then you also want to just have regular shots where no one's in them. So those are basically the 2 types of shots, and then you can do both up close and far away. Okay, so we're just finishing up getting some shots for the video. We're currently outside shooting during sunset. So originally we were actually supposed to come here there were supposed to be 4 of us, because my friend Megan and Dustin were supposed to be here as well, but they couldn't come last minute. So we only had 2 of us, and they want shots where it kind of looks like a group, like drinking and cheersing. And the thing is, when there's only 2 of you, 1 person has to shoot. So what we actually did, I'm gonna show you guys. So we have 2 wine glasses that I set up like this. And also my wristband is falling apart, it's fine. And basically we got my sister to sit in here, then I filmed her, and I cut it right here so it looked like there could be someone here. And then she got a shot of me sitting there, grabbing the drink, vice versa, and then we got a shot over here cheersing. So it kind of will all connect. I'll show you guys what that looks like right now. So as you can see, one side is my sister, one side's me, but the way you have it where you kind of split the screen, you can make it look like there's 2 people sitting there. So when filming these lifestyle shots, I don't actually like to have my face in them. I often try to film them from the side or from the back of my head, so you can't really tell who it is. I also like to film the shots in slow motion because it does give me more footage to work with, and I just think it makes the video look better overall. Often too, when stabilizing it, it's a lot easier to actually stabilize the slow motion shots. I would definitely suggest to get these shots during either sunrise or sunset. Sunrise is really good because you don't have to worry about other people being in your shot. Oftentimes, when you wake up for sunrise, no one else is at the hotel. So my sister and I actually woke up for sunrise a few times to go shoot at the pool because we know no one would be there. During sunset, often there's a lot of people there, and it's a bit trickier. You can't really get random people in your video without their permission, but sunrise is definitely the best time and the nicest lighting to shoot these in. And then my next tip is to just ask for certain things that you need. So for example, we were shooting in a cafe that wasn't actually even open yet. Like, they weren't serving food or anything. I think it was opening in a few weeks, but we wanted someone to come and actually make some juices, make some food, so it looked a bit more natural and what it would actually look like once it's open. So I just sent an email to my contact there and I asked them if we could set up a time to have a person come and actually make the drinks for us. But then if you're doing like a traditional commercial video, they usually just want like nice kind of panning shots. So normally I'm doing these ones in slow motion, it's like 120 frames, and I'll just do like a nice panning shot back. I have a lot of camera tricks. I actually explain it in my how to film a travel video that I'll leave linked below. But to get really steady shots, I basically use myself as like a human Steadicam. And so I like bend my arms and then I like put them right against my side, and I almost use my legs to move because then the shot's just a lot steadier. Another trick of mine is, if you want to get a cool kind of like more lifestyle-y shot, is just find some leaves like this and you can kind of go, it adds a bit of dimension to the shot. So I'll focus on not the leaves, but have them kind of blurry in the background. When shooting these videos, I'll get photos at the same time, just because I'll usually do location by location, and then I also like to make sure I'm shooting them both vertically and horizontally, just to give the client more options. It's always better to shoot more than you think you'll need, just because when you're going back to edit it, you want to make sure that you got all the shots that you were actually required to do. And after all those tips and tricks, you get something like this. as you can see, everything came together quite nicely. They were super excited about it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you guys are a content creator or wanting to become a content creator, definitely leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle and I will check that out and we can just chat about things. If you guys have any questions at all, definitely leave those down below as well. And you guys can follow me on Instagram if you want. I also have a films account that I recently started. It's called LauraReid Films, where I actually post any like commercial work or anything like that I do on there. So I'll leave that down below so you guys can check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.